Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change start menu layout to more pins on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change start menu layout to more pins on Windows 11 computer, click on start menu. Now click on settings. In left pane, click on personalization. Now scroll down and here you will find an option start. Click on start, and under start the first option is layout, and in layout more recommendations is selected right now, and you will find here and another layout, more pins. Click on the radio button here. Now more pins layout is selected. Now I'm going to check. Click on start menu. Look, in start menu more pins layout is working right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.